product alert. New product alert. I love getting new products. Today I'm coming to you guys with another urban hydration video. And I have the Jamaican Castor Oil and Avocado line. I'm so excited, guys. I have the shampoo. I have the deep conditioner. And I have the curl cream. I don't shampoo, really. I haven't shampooed in like months. Only because when I've used shampoos, they strip my hair and they make my hair really dry, so I stopped using them. But I decided to go ahead and try out the shampoo and see if it works for me and see if it actually moisturizes my hair. So I will do that. I'm going to go wet my hair and I'm going to attempt to shampoo on camera. We'll see how this goes. Here we go, here we go. We got action. Let me just put this down the middle a bit. Just put it directly on my scalp. Is it coming out? It is coming out. It smells good too. And remember, you guys, shampoo is for your scalp, not your hair. Learned that from Alexis hair too. I'll go ahead with my scalp massager. So I'm about to go wash this out and I will be right back. Okay, you guys, I'm back. Just using a microfiber turban towel and just soak up some of that water. I'm gonna go in with the deep conditioner. Obviously, I'm not gonna use too much of this because it comes in a small container. I don't know why that is, but it's pretty thick though. So let's see how this goes. Should have been the tank. Be completely honest. Look at this. Wow, this is thick. Definitely won't need a lot. I'm gonna do my hair. Thinking I'm gonna do a flat twist up. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go rinse. So I am doing flat twist. I like side parts, so I'm gonna split my hair about here. Just gonna split it right on there. My wild growth oil. Don't forget to oil that scalp. Can't be out here with a flaky scalp. It's not cute. Just split down. Just take a piece and split. I don't think I want them that small because I don't feel like doing this all day. I might do 6 in the back. take some. Clip it. Hopefully there's not too much. I don't think it is. Handy dandy sprayer. You want to spray a little more. Just to make sure it's gonna lay flat. Take that denim brush. Get the ends. Make sure the ends is detailed. Start moving up. Move up a little bit higher each time. Alright, now hold on. Got a little tension right there. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Let's keep on brushing that through. Yep, yep, yep. Ooh, look at that. Yes, honey. We here, honey. Let that hang right quick. And I'm going in with Urban Hydration, the curl cream. Yeah. It smells good. It always smells good. Small, it's a little thick, I guess. It's really smooth though. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This it right here. It got that slip. Okay. It got it. You got that slip. Okay, okay. That brush. Oh yes, this is it. This it right here. This it right here. This is. I like to put some on my ends. Just make sure the ends is in there like swimwear. Okay. Turn this way so y'all can see what I'm doing. This piece that's going under, I take it between my first finger and my thumb. And I just hold it like this. And then the other one I take and I put it, it's just the middle finger. Yeah, the middle finger. And I hold it like that. My fingers may change while I'm doing it. We'll see. Then I just take like this with this first finger. And I just split under the hair. And I take it with my first and my thumb. Then I just take the piece at the top. And I just pull it over. And I switch positions. And now this piece gets hair. And I just keep going like that. So basically you're just switching. Nothing hard. It's really easy. If you want something a little more detailed, then I would tell you to check out the Hazel Goddess. That's how, well, that's who I learned how to flat twist from, by watching one of her videos. And just switch. And make sure you pull it. You do it to make sure it's tight. Hopefully this comes out tight. I don't know. I just feel like her way is a whole lot more simple than what I've seen other people do. I don't know. It works for me. When you get to the end, just make sure you pull it tight, because you know it's a flat twist, not a hang twist. So We want it tight to our head. Hopefully I did this twist right, because sometimes I do them backwards and they end up being wrong. So just add a little more curl cream to it. So locking that in. If you hear something outside, it's the garbage trucks picking up the trash. And I just always twist my ends like that. And there you have it. Flat twist. And now I'm just gonna finish the back, and I'll come back to you guys once I get to the front. This is how the back is looking. I messed up on this one, but we just gonna keep it pushing. Okay, so the front, it's about the same as the back, but sometimes I get mixed up because I'm moving this way instead of, like, I don't know. But I always mess up on the front, so we shall see how it goes. I'm officially done. I found them at Marshall's. The shampoo was $5.99. The deep conditioner was $3.99. I think the tag came off. And the curl cream was also $3.99 at Marshall's. So if you want some good products, hit up Marshall. Yeah, I'll be taking them out tomorrow, and we'll see how they turn out, you guys.